Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter Q. Are you ready? Let's go! Q for queen. Cuckoo queen. Q for quilt. Cuckoo quilt. Q for quack. Cuckoo quack. Q for question. Cuckoo question. Let's repeat it again. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Q for quack. Q for question. Q for quill. Cuckoo quill. Q for quokka. Cuckoo quokka. Q for quiet. Cuckoo quiet. Q for quench. Cuckoo quench. Let's repeat it again. Q for quill. Q for quokka. Q for quiet. Q for quench. Q for quick. Cuckoo quick. Q for quiz. Cuckoo quiz. Q for quarter. Cuckoo quarter. Q for quinoa. Cuckoo quinoa. Let's repeat it again. Q for quick. Q for quiz. Q for quarter. Q for quinoa. Now let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, Q for queen. What is this? Correct, Q for quilt. What sound does a duck make? Exactly, Q for quack. Look at this cute animal, do you know its name? Yes, Q for quokka. What do we drink when we are thirsty? Exactly, Q for quench. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter, letter R.